So, I've been getting this noise every time I drive. I just hear this clacking noise, constantly clack, 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 clack. I thought it was a front diff. I filled that, did all that. Finally got a jack heavy enough and tall enough to lift this damn thing up. So I combed over everything. I can't find anything. So I start moving my way towards the back. Not towards the back. Well, yeah, towards the back. But to the transfer case. So what I found is right here. I don't know if I can get my fat shoulder in here. Oh, I think I found where that knocking is coming from. See this right here? Let me get closer. Yeah, I don't think that's supposed to do that. Oh, I found it. Son of a bitch. Well, I don't know what's gonna cost me for that, but that's what it is. That's what's making that noise when I'm driving. That clack, 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 clack. I combed over this whole entire thing. Worn out U-joint. It is what it is.